Hey guys, welcome to Zero2. This is the unboxing and review of the Yard Rover Wheelbarrow by Marathon. As you can see here, it is in two parts. One is the tub and one is the box with all the parts in it. Using here the 9-in-1 painter's tool by Husky. It's such an awesome little tool. I use it for everything. So you'll definitely need to add air to the tires. One tire was more flat than the other. All of your nuts and bolts, Allen wrench and washers are in that packet. And also the directions are very easy to read, very clear, pretty easy. Oh, and this is my boy Jax. He's a Shiba Inu. He's Japanese. He's helping out. Just basically follow the directions. Really pretty easy to put together. Won't bore you with the slower version of the video, so sped up. It's kind of cool and fun. When putting this top bar in, don't put the bolts through. You'll be putting it bolts through the tub on top. So this part here, I've added 1.5-inch by 3/8 washer on top of the wheelbarrow tub, so it prevents stress from cracking and really holds it much better with the rubber underneath the washer. This was a great tip from all the comments and Lowe's comments and reviews. So don't forget to just tighten up all the rest of it to the end. So I like this wheelbarrow. It's great for light duty work, mulching, and whatnot in your garden. It's not heavy, it's easy to roll, and really priced right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you.